Hello everyone! Happy Saturday! And today is the day that my friend is getting married. Mamaya pa naman yung kasal niya, mga 3 p.m. But from here to Port Douglas, it will take us maybe roughly 2 hours. So I need to get ready. Anong oras na ba? So 20 past 10. So meron pa akong ample time to get ready. Ayoko magmadali kasi alam nyo naman, hindi ako masyadong magaling mag-makeup. So si Habi sa nagla-lounge pa kasi it will take him mga 10 minutes lang naman to get ready. Ako, madami akong mga seremonyas na gagawin sa aking pangangatawan. Kaya eto, nagre-ready na. By the way, good morning everyone! This is me once again, your Shamdelicious friend from the country where there's a lot of crocodiles and kangaroos, the land down under, Australia. To my Aussie friends, g'day mate, how's it going? You? Inunat ko lang ang aking buhok para nang sa gano'n naman in place siya. Mag-umpisa na tayo para tapos tayo ng maaga. Naglagay na ako ng aking moisturizer. Yung moisturizer na ginagamit ko, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong Olay, na meron siyang SPF 20 lang ata. Pero okay na din yun. At least meron siyang SPF. Itong video na to, para bang get ready with me? Char, ang art. Get ready with me. Ano ka? Celebrity ka, girl? So, I decided na ayokong maglagay ng foundation kasi it's summer here. So, gusto ko lang parang fresh and yung parang dalaga ka, girl. Mga ganong bagay ba? Mas gusto ko itong primer, gamitin ang primer na ito dahil parang may matte finish siya. Ito parang hindi ko siya type dahil dewy masyado para sa dewy? Do you? This one, I don't like the spray. Char! Maarte! Pag nang mamili ka, wala kang budget. And after concealer, magpa-powder na aketch. Nagutom po ako, mga kababayan. At ayan lang yung kinayanan ng aking talento sa pag-makeup. I know it's not bababoom, but you know, it's like no makeup look. O, di ba? Wala talagang makeup, wala. Budo lang to lahat. Lumalaki na talaga ang aking mukha. Ayaw kong mag-diet. Contour lang natin yan, besh. Taga ko ng tapos, ito lang namang ginawa ko. Oh? Balikan ko mamaya. Ayan. Ito na nga aking look, Hindi ko na pinush ang aking pabangs kasi parang ang sakit-sakit sa aking mata. Yan lang yung nakayanan ng aking powers. Mainit. Mainit ho ngayon. Yes, we are heading to Port Douglas. We are 45 minutes away from the venue. Hindi ako sure kung pwede ba akong mag-film doon kasi sa aming invitation na natanggap, meron kaming note na parang bawal kaming mag-take ng photos to post online. We are already in Port Douglas. We still have to drive to the venue. By the way, Port Douglas is one of the popular spots here in North Queensland. Am I right, babe? Yes, I am. I look so tan. We are already here. We're just waiting for the bride and the groom. Some of the friends and families are already here. I'm gonna show you the place. So this is where Alicia and Robert got engaged, and they're going to get married here as well. Very sentimental of Alicia. You're so serious right now. So this is the town of Port Douglas. It is just a small city. Oh no, not city. Town.
Famous for the 4 Mile Beach.
Yep, 4 Mile Beach. The wedding is done. Nagpipla ako ng photo si Gwen sa ano lang car. Mahangin po. Pagpasensya. Nagpalit din ako ng flats. Ayan. Sakit na masyado. Nagka-blisters ako. Sabi ko, it looks sexy. Ang aking, ano tawag dyan ay heels, pero it's painful. Papunta na kami ng Mariba. And it's another hour and a half drive, I think. So, let's do this again, shall we? Pero ang ganda na talaga pag nagda-drive dito papunta ng Port Douglas or pabalik sa city, sa Cairns rather, kasi tingnan nyo naman yung view. Siyempre hindi nyo kita. Papakita ko sa inyo, siyempre. Look at this. This is what they call Rex Lookout. Nabasa nyo na ba? Okay. Paala kayo hindi. Uy, diba? Nag-ano ako dito na try on haul. And then, parang nasabi ko din sa haul na yun na medyo problemado ito pag mga ganun. Oh, mga ganun talaga siya dahil. Oh, ay nako. Malandi itong sanina na ito. I'm kapoy already, babe. We are in Kiranda. How much longer? 40 minutes away from Mariba, where the reception is. Mr. and Mrs. Kalai. Kalai? Look at that. Look at you, Alicia. That's cute. It's cute, hey babe? So, ito yung mga pa-setup nila, guys, which I really like. It's cute. Look at that. Okay. There you go. So, you can sit wherever you want. We have this one. It's a cheese platter. Ito, masarap. And the dip as well. The dip, it's good. Guys, we are home and it's already 7 past midnight. Oh my. Antok na ako. Diyos me, ang sakit-sakit na ng mata ko. At syempre, i-close ko na din itong vlog na ito kasi wash na ako ng mukha, mag-skincare, and matutulog na ako dahil wala na akong energy. Pero, alam niyo, lumalaban ang ating pa-makeup. Hindi pa siya nahulas. Ako lang yung nahulas, yung makeup, hindi. Anyway, ayoko nang patagalin ito, no? Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this vlog. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell as well so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload.
episode. Once again, this has been your Shandelicious friend from the Land Down Under. I'll see you later. Bye.